Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how we can add a subscribe button into our YouTube video. So it's too easy and very simple. That how we can do this I will show you in this video. So step number one, you should download a green screen subscribe button. How we can download it? Just go to the YouTube and then just write a green screen subscribe button. So when you search green screen subscribe button, now there will be a lots of video of green screen subscribe button. Just select one of them and download it. This was step number one. Now we are going to step number two. Step number two is that you should have a video editing app. So I have already one of them by the name of VL. This is the best video editing app. So just tap on this and now just tap on the new project and just select one of your video that you want to add a subscribe button on that video. So I just want to select this one. So when you select your video that you want to add a subscribe button on that video, so next what you will do, there is some of the options. The first option that is you can add a music. The second option that you can add text on your video. So the third one, this is the option that we need this option. So just click on this plus option. When you click this or you tap on that, then just tap on this video or photo, this option, and now select the subscribe button video. So there you go, there is the subscribe button video. Just click on this. Now this video will be appear on our video. So how we should remove this green screen? Just come here, there's an option by the name of chroma. Just click on this and just come to the cursor and just leave this cursor onto the green screen area. And now the next, just fold this intensity to the 100% and spell also to the 100%, and now tap on this tick. So now we remove the green screen from our subscriber. So let's do check it out. Look at this. Just we add a subscribe button and we also remove a green screen from that one also. So thank you so much for your attention.